I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the basics ready. Open Settings and confirm your iPhone 16 runs the latest iOS. Once done, go to Control Center and add screen recording so the button appears immediately. Make a quick choice about audio. Tap microphone audio when you want commentary. These steps unlock the recorder and avoid interruptions later, so do them first. Now that the control is visible and audio preference set, you're ready to initiate a recording without hunting through menus. Position the exact screen you intend to capture and clear notifications. You don't want unexpected pop-ups. Next, swipe into Control Center and long press the screen record icon to reveal options. This is where you toggle microphone audio and choose Start Recording. Tap Start, and a 3-second countdown gives you time to return to the app. If you need a delay, use the countdown. It ensures smooth transitions. Once recording begins, a red status indicator shows active capture, so you know it's working. When you're done, stop the recording by tapping the red status bar or returning to Control Center and tapping the icon again. The clip automatically saves to Photos. Once saved, open Photos to trim, mute audio, or rotate before sharing. If recording won't start, make sure you have free storage, reboot the phone, and confirm screen recording is enabled in Control Center. Those fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, toggle microphone audio and retry. This often clears permission hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.